welcome to Medical Dialogues. I am Dr. Bhumika. Let's look at today's top medical news. Autophagy pathway in astrocytes may be associated with recovery of memory and cognitive functions in AD. A research team led by Dr. Hoon Ryu from the Korea Institute of Science and Technology Brain Disease Research Group, in collaboration with Director Justin C. Lee of the Institute for Basic Science and Professor Jung Lee from Boston University Chobanian Avedisian School of Medicine, has uncovered a new mechanism involving astrocytes for treating Alzheimer's disease and proposed a novel therapeutic target. In this study, the researchers revealed that autophagy pathway in astrocytes removes amyloid beta oligomers, the toxic protein found in the brains of Alzheimer's disease patients, and recovers memory and cognitive functions. Alteration in tear proteins in patients with persistent eye pain after refractive surgery. OHSU study. In a new study published in the Journal of Proteome Research, Oregon Health Science University, researchers discovered a connection between levels of certain proteins found in patients' tears and persistent pain months after surgery. The team hopes their findings could eventually help in the development of new screening tools and treatments for patients. A lot of people think tears are just salt water, when in fact we are able to detect thousands of proteins in human tears, said Sue Aker, PhD, corresponding author on the study and a professor of chemical physiology and biochemistry in the Oregon Health University School of Medicine, who studies how cells function in neural circuits, particularly in pain. It is such a rich proteome, and those proteins may impact the activity of nerves at the surface of the eye in the cornea. The team recruited 120 study participants in Miami and Portland. None reported any eye pain before refractive surgery. 3 months after surgery, researchers took tear samples using a thin filter paper inserted beneath the lower eyelid to wick tears from the eye surface. This non-invasive procedure is used clinically for other diagnoses such as assessing dry eye disease. Babies born after IVF have higher risk of heart defects. European Society of Cardiology. The risk of being born with a major heart defect is 36% higher in babies who were conceived after assisted reproductive technology such as in vitro fertilization, according to results of a very large study published in the European Heart Journal. Researchers say the finding is important since congenital heart defects are the most common form of birth defects, and some of them are associated with life-threatening complications. The study also shows that the increase in risk is particularly associated with multiple births, which are more common in assisted reproduction. The study was led by Professor Ulla-Britt Wennerholm from the University of Gothenburg in Sweden. Sleeping less than 7 hours a night during pregnancy can lead to neurodevelopmental delay in child, finds new research. Pregnant women who do not get enough sleep may be at higher risk of having children with neurodevelopmental delays, according to new research published in the Endocrine Society's Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism. Short sleep duration is defined as sleeping less than 7 hours per night. Pregnant women may have trouble sleeping due to hormonal changes, pregnancy discomfort, frequent urination and other factors. It's been reported that almost 40% of pregnant women have short sleep duration. These women may have a higher risk of impaired glucose tolerance, insulin resistance and gestational diabetes, and their children may be at a higher risk of experiencing neurodevelopmental delays. These children are slower to develop their social, emotional, behavioral, motor, cognitive or speech skills. This study highlights the necessity of managing sleep health during pregnancy. By shedding light on the connection between maternal sleep during pregnancy and children's neurodevelopment, our study empowers families with knowledge that can shape healthier pregnancy habits and contribute to the well-being of the next generation, said lead study author Peng Zhu, MD of Anhui Medical University and the MOE Key Laboratory of Population Health across life cycle in Hefei, China. Thank you for watching Medical Dialogues. Stay tuned for more such updates.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe and press the bell icon.